Hi, my name is Muhammad Abdul Moiz. I am from Hyderabad. So recently, I have taken the master class with 10x, and it was a great decision from my end because I have learned each and everything regarding the AI and the instructors. Both the instructors are very good. They are explaining in depth regarding the AI and other tools with live examples. They are giving the training as a practical training, and it has enhanced my career by attending this program. And I was significantly impacted both in my personal and professional life, and achieving my targets in my company, and the productivity has increased, and most probably it has saved much time. Suppose if there is a work where I can complete the work in 8 hours, and by this program, attending this program, I can complete that work within 6 hours. So it is a great plus point for me, where I can saving my time, and I can work on other things as well. And by attending this program, I have increased my productivity, decision making, and I highly recommend this program to each and everyone. And in my circle, I have recommended the program to one of my friends, and they have taken this, and I got the positive feedbacks from them as well. And it is awesome to attend these kind of classes where we can increase our knowledge and learn the new technologies as well. So hopefully, I'm giving my best wishes to the 10x team to work in a good thing, and they are doing a amazing. They are doing an amazing job, and hopefully they will continue to do amazing job and inspire others. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.